Top 6 Vitamins to Look Younger. Did you know that the secret to looking younger may lie in the vitamins you consume? Yes, that's right. Vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining a youthful appearance by promoting skin health and reducing signs of aging. So, if you're looking to turn back the clock and achieve that radiant, youthful glow, paying attention to your vitamin intake is key. Our skin is the largest organ in our body and acts as a protective barrier against environmental aggressors. Over time, factors like sun exposure, pollution, and stress can take a toll on our skin, leading to premature aging. This is where vitamins come to the rescue. They provide essential nutrients that support skin health, repair damaged cells, and boost collagen production, ultimately helping you achieve a more youthful complexion. Curious to know which vitamins can help you look younger? Stay tuned as we delve into the top 6 vitamins that are known for their anti-aging properties. From vitamin C's brightening effects to vitamin E's moisturizing benefits, we'll explore how these powerhouse nutrients can work wonders for your skin. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a youthful appearance with the power of vitamins. 1. Vitamin C, the youthful glow booster. When it comes to maintaining a youthful appearance, vitamin C emerges as a superstar ingredient that can work wonders for your skin. This powerful vitamin plays a crucial role in collagen production, the protein responsible for keeping our skin firm, plump, and radiant. By stimulating collagen synthesis, vitamin C helps to improve skin elasticity, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and promote a more youthful complexion. In addition to its collagen-boosting benefits, vitamin C is also renowned for its potent antioxidant properties. As an antioxidant, vitamin C helps to neutralize free radicals and unstable molecules that can damage skin cells and accelerate the aging process. By combating oxidative stress, vitamin C can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots, leaving your skin looking smoother and more youthful. To incorporate vitamin C into your daily routine, consider adding vitamin C-rich foods to your diet, such as citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and leafy greens. You can also explore vitamin C supplements or skincare products infused with this powerhouse nutrient to enhance your skin's radiance from the inside out. Embrace the youthful glow-boosting benefits of vitamin C and unlock the secret to ageless beauty. 2. Vitamin E, the skin protector. When it comes to promoting youthful skin, vitamin E emerges as a powerful ally in the fight against aging. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in protecting the skin from UV damage and environmental stressors, such as pollution and free radicals. By acting as a natural barrier, vitamin E helps to shield the skin from harmful UV rays and prevent premature aging, keeping your complexion looking youthful and radiant. In addition to its protective benefits, vitamin E is also known for its moisturizing and healing properties. This vitamin helps to lock in moisture, making it an excellent choice for individuals with dry or dehydrated skin. Vitamin E also aids in promoting skin healing, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall skin health, resulting in a smoother, more supple complexion. To incorporate vitamin E into your skincare routine, consider adding sources of this nutrient to your diet. Nuts, seeds, and oils are excellent sources of vitamin E that can help you maintain healthy, youthful skin from the inside out. By nourishing your skin with vitamin E-rich foods, you can enhance its protective barrier, boost hydration, and support a more youthful appearance. Embrace the skin-protecting benefits of vitamin E and enjoy a radiant, age-defying complexion. 3. Vitamin A, the wrinkle fighter. When it comes to skin rejuvenation and fighting the signs of aging, vitamin A takes center stage as a potent ally in your skincare arsenal. This powerhouse nutrient boasts impressive anti-aging benefits, thanks to its ability to stimulate cell turnover and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By promoting the production of new skin cells, vitamin A helps to improve skin texture, enhance elasticity, and diminish the signs of aging, leaving you with a more youthful and radiant complexion. One of the key players in the world of anti-aging skincare is vitamin A derivatives, such as retinol. Retinol is a form of vitamin A that is commonly found in skincare products due to its proven efficacy in reducing wrinkles, boosting collagen production, and improving skin tone and texture. Incorporating retinol-based products into your skincare routine can help you achieve smoother, firmer, and more youthful-looking skin over time. To naturally boost your vitamin A intake, consider adding foods rich in this nutrient to your diet. Carrots, sweet potatoes, leafy greens, and liver are excellent sources of vitamin A that can support skin health and promote a youthful appearance from within. By nourishing your skin with vitamin A-rich foods, you can enhance its rejuvenating properties and maintain a radiant, age-defying complexion. Embrace the wrinkle-fighting benefits of vitamin A and unlock the secret to timeless beauty. 4. Vitamin B complex, the energy booster. When it comes to promoting youthful vitality and radiance, vitamin B complex plays a vital role in supporting your overall well-being. This group of vitamins, including B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12, is essential for energy production and metabolism, helping to fuel your body and maintain a youthful glow from within. By supporting cellular energy production, vitamin B complex helps to combat fatigue, boost stamina, and enhance your overall vitality, allowing you to look and feel your best. In addition to its energy-boosting properties, vitamin B is also beneficial for hair, skin, and nail health. B vitamins play a key role in promoting healthy cell growth and repair, which can contribute to stronger, shinier hair, clearer skin, and stronger nails. By nourishing your body with vitamin B, you can support the health and appearance of these beauty essentials, enhancing your overall youthful radiance. To incorporate vitamin B into your diet, consider adding B vitamin-rich foods to your meals. Whole grains, eggs, dairy products, lean meats, and leafy greens are excellent sources of vitamin B complex that can help you meet your daily nutrient needs. By fueling your body with these essential vitamins, you can boost your energy levels, support your metabolism, and maintain a youthful vitality that shines from the inside out. Embrace the energy-boosting benefits of the vitamin B complex and unleash your youthful glow. 5. Vitamin K, the clear skin elixir. Vitamin K is essential for maintaining youthful skin, primarily due to its role in promoting healthy blood circulation and supporting skin elasticity. This vitamin is well known for its ability to reduce dark circles under the eyes, diminish the appearance of bruises, and minimize spider veins, all of which contribute to a more youthful appearance. Vitamin K also aids in wound healing, which helps to reduce scars and blemishes on the skin. Additionally, it works in tandem with other anti-aging vitamins, like vitamins A and E, to enhance the skin's natural repair processes. You can find vitamin K in leafy greens like kale and spinach, as well as in broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and fermented foods. Including vitamin K in your diet or skincare routine can help to maintain a more even, radiant complexion, contributing to a fresher, younger look over time. 6. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in skin health and maintaining a youthful appearance. This vitamin supports the skin's immune system and can help with cell regeneration, which is key in reducing the signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin D is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe the skin and reduce the appearance of blemishes, redness, and age spots. Additionally, it aids in the production of collagen, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Although our bodies naturally produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, it can also be obtained through foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and supplements. Ensuring adequate vitamin D levels can help keep your skin healthy, radiant, and more resilient to the effects of aging. In conclusion, the top 6 vitamins to look younger: vitamin C, E, A, B complex, K, D, offer a powerhouse of benefits for maintaining a youthful appearance and promoting overall skin health. Vitamin C stands out for its collagen-boosting properties and antioxidant benefits, helping to reduce wrinkles and protect the skin from environmental damage. Vitamin E acts as a skin protector, shielding against UV damage and providing moisturizing and healing properties for smooth, healthy skin. Vitamin A, the wrinkle fighter, stimulates cell turnover and reduces fine lines and wrinkles, while vitamin B complex serves as an energy booster, supporting metabolism and vitality for a youthful glow. To unlock the full potential of these vitamins, we encourage you to incorporate them into your daily routine through a balanced diet rich in vitamin C, E, A, B complex, K, and D sources. By nourishing your body with these essential nutrients, you can enhance your skin's radiance, combat signs of aging, and promote overall well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips to help you on your journey to youthful, glowing skin. Thank you for tuning in, and here's to embracing your best, most radiant self.